In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up your first Stripe product in Stripe. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu. From there, click Product Catalog. This will take you to the area where you can create and manage the products you want to sell through Stripe. Next, click the Create Product button. This will open the product creation page. In the product name field, enter the name of your product. Choose a clear and recognizable name so it is easy to identify later in your catalog. After that, you can add a description if you want to provide more details about the product. This step is optional, but it can be useful for organization and clarity. You can also upload an image if you want your product to have a visual reference. This is also optional, so you can skip it if you do not need it right now. Once the basic product details are entered, move down to the pricing section and click Add Price. Here you will set the amount you want to charge for the product. Enter the product price carefully, then select the correct currency from the available options. Next, choose the pricing type that fits your product. If the product is purchased only once, select One Time. If you plan to charge customers on a repeating schedule, select Recurring. Be sure to choose the option that matches how you want the product to be billed. After you have entered the pricing information, take a moment to review everything on the page. Check the product name, the optional description and image if you added them, and confirm that the price and currency are correct. Also verify that the billing type is set to either one-time or recurring, based on your needs. When everything looks correct, click Add Product. Stripe will then create the product and save it to your account. Finally, return to the product catalog and confirm that your new product appears in the list. You should also see the associated price attached to that product. This lets you know the setup was completed successfully and that your product is now ready for use inside Stripe. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.